Now, we want to evaluate the difference quotients for the following, which is going to be f of x equals to x squared minus 3x minus 1. And remember, the formula to find the difference quotient is f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, such that h cannot be equal to 0. Okay, so we already know what f of x is. It's already given to us. Now we have to find out what f of x plus h is. So wherever I see an x at in my function, I'm going to put an open set of parentheses, leaving the exponents and the coefficients in the same place as well. And inside these open parentheses, I'm going to replace that with x plus h. We're going to go here. It's going to go here. So x plus h inside of here, x plus h inside of here, which is going to be x plus h squared minus 3 times x plus h minus 1. Also, I'm going to keep reminding you every time I see this, x plus h, that quantity squared, does not equal to x squared plus h squared. I do not want to see this. Or do not do that. That's bad. Remember, x plus h squared is equal to x plus h times x plus h. Because you're multiplying x plus h by itself twice. Then you can distribute. X times x is x squared. X times h is xh. H times x, I want to write that as xh again. Order doesn't really matter. And h times h is h squared. We're going to combine. So xh plus xh is 2xh. So x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. And that's going to go in place of that. So x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. Now we can distribute inside of here. Negative 3 distribute inside the parentheses will give me negative 3x minus 3h. Bring down the minus 1. That equals to f of x plus h. Now we can officially evaluate the difference quotient. So f of x plus h. So x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h minus 1. Now minus, remember, you must put parentheses for the second polynomial. There's going to be f of x, which is going to be x squared minus 3x, a little bit smaller, x squared minus 3x minus 1. And that's all divided by h. Next, we want to distribute inside the parentheses, the negative sign. So we have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3x minus 3h minus 1. Now we have minus x squared, we have plus 3x, and we have plus 1, all divided by h. If you look here, we can cancel out like terms. The x squareds cancel out, the 3x's cancel out, and the 1's cancel out, leaving us with just 2xh plus h squared minus 3h, all divided by h. And now to simplify, I can break this up into 3 different fractions. I can break that up into 2xh over h plus h squared over h minus 3h over h. And simplify. Because now my h's simplify each other out, which is 2x. If I simplify 1h in my denominator, I simplify 1h in my numerator, which is plus h to the first power. And once again, my h is simplified, which is just minus 3. And this is the answer to my difference quotient. Alright guys, and if you notice, before I end this video, I was going to end it, you guys can do this problem literally in about 2 to 3 minutes. It took me about going on 6 minutes because I'm blabbering my mouth. But when you get comfortable doing this, you can breeze right through it. I promise you, if you study and focus how to do it and understand how to do it, piece of cake. Piece of cake. If you don't like cake, whatever your favorite food is. Alright guys, that is it to this video. Up next will be the function compositions. See you soon.